The 2-ingredient mini pizza has gone viral, and for good reason. It's easy to make, it's fast, and it's delicious. But today we're going to do a little bit of a keto baking mechanic tweak on this baby and make it even better. Welcome to the Keto Baking Mechanic, where we create, tweak, and enhance keto and low-carb breads and baked goods, including authentic keto and low-carb sourdough. Hi, I'm Sherry Mack. You'll always get the recipe link in the description. Be sure to like the recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, and make sure that you hit that notification bell so you can be informed when I have other videos coming down the pike. Okay, so I'm going to make a couple of changes to this 2-ingredient mini pizza. First of all, the original recipe calls for shredded mozzarella, topped by your pepperoni slices. You put it in the oven until it goes golden on the edges, pull it out, let it cool, and enjoy your 2-ingredient mini viral pizza. But we're going to switch out the mozzarella with slices of provolone. First of all, the provolone is a ripened pasta filata, so it's like a mozzarella, the same taste, but it's ripened, so it's firmer, so it serves better as the crust of our little pizzettes, our keto pizzettes. Secondly, instead of just adding the pepperoni, we're going to add a tablespoon of my favorite pizza sauce and then the pepperoni. Oh my goodness, I can't wait till you try these little babies. They are so good. Oh, and guess what? 0 carbs. You can have a few of them. Line a baking sheet with parchment and then lay your 12 slices of provolone cheese on the baking tray. This video is brought to you by Sinless Sourdough, where ancient art meets low-carb science. Hi, I'm Sherry Mack, and I'm the creator of Sinless Sourdough. At Sinless, we create a line of keto, low-carb, dehydrated sourdough starters. When you purchase a starter, you get a starter guide that teaches you how to bring your starter to life, as well as a plethora of keto, low-carb, sourdough discard recipes. I feature those recipes on the channel, and you also get them when you purchase the starter. But the real value is with the Sinless Sourdough membership. With the membership, you learn how to bake 3 different styles of keto and low-carb breads and baked goods that undergo further fermentation. That's why there's video trainings to teach you how to do this. And it's that fermentation of the lactobacillus cultures and the wild yeast in the dough that give the resulting breads and baked goods all the health benefits that science talks about. But you need a membership for that, because baking authentic keto low-carb sourdough with further fermentation is a journey, and you're part of the baking community with lots of free cookbooks. You could ask me as many questions as you like along your journey. You get to share your journey with other people, and you're part of the Sinless Sourdough family. I just spit. Oh my goodness. That's it. Next, add 1 tablespoon per slice of provolone cheese. You could use any sauce you like. I use Muti pizza sauce with basil and oregano. It's premium Italian sauce. It's non-GMO, sun-ripened tomatoes with no preservatives or added sugars. It's a family-owned business since 1899, and it's known for respecting the sweetness of the tomatoes and using clean and simple ingredients. And best part, it's only 1 net carb per quarter cup, so it's great for your keto diet. Then, if you like, you can sprinkle each one of your pizzettes with Italian seasoning. That's what I like to do. Next, add 3 small pepperoni to each pizzette. For a heart-smart choice, you could use turkey pepperoni, whatever choice is yours, and then you're going to put it into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 15 minutes. You'll know your little pizzettes are ready when the edges of the cheese starts to turn a golden color. If you like, you can also add shredded mozzarella on top of the pepperoni just for a cheesier flavor.